Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a funnel like a pro. And this will be an easy tutorial, so without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. Once again, for the very last time, just for full clarity, so that you know what the video is about and I know what I'm talking about, the title and the topic for this video are the following. In this specific video, I will specifically be showing you and telling you the following. I will be showing you and telling you how to use a funnel like a pro, and this will be an easy tutorial. So without further ado, for real this time, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. This is a funnel. This is exactly what I'm talking about. There are many different sizes of funnels, many different styles, but essentially they have one idea, which is they have a bigger top part in which you pour something in, and they have a smaller bottom part in which the poured stuff will come out of. It's very, very simple and straightforward. So essentially the funnel is going to be on top of whatever you want the stuff that you're pouring to go into. So I'm going to grab a glass over here, and essentially you can hold the funnel and hold the glass, okay? And you can hold the funnel so that it's leading into the glass. You can see the bottom of the funnel is inside of the glass over here. Okay, you can see I'm doing a little drum beat. Anyways, as you can see, okay, the funnel on the bottom of the funnel is inside of the glass. And I'm holding it like this, and obviously you can have someone else pour something into the funnel and it can then go into whatever you're leading it into, okay? Or that's one way, so you can hold the funnel up like that, as long as the bottom is inside of whatever you want to put it into. Or the other way, and it looks a little bit shaky on the camera, but I'm like, my hand is not shaking, but you know what? I'm holding it over here, so any little movements are gonna set off the shakiness, okay? So what I'll do is I'll just hold it like this, just to sort of make it look a little bit more sturdy and stable, excuse me. I just had lunch recently, so I got some gas coming up, in the form of burps. So I do apologize. I'm very sorry. I got to excuse myself because I'm a polite person. So for the last time, excuse me. Now that I've excused myself and I've been polite, we can move on. So as you can see, you can hold it like this way as well. I showed you holding it like this, which is one option. A little bit shaky because, I'm holding it on the edge. Or you can hold it like this, another option, because now I'm holding it underneath. As long as that bottom is in the glass, you are basically good to go. Okay, so that's one way, holding it up like that. The other way is you can actually just let it sit like this, as long as the spout makes sense, right? Which, because you're using a funnel, right? I'm assuming that you want to get something into a smaller thing. So obviously, I'm assuming the top size is probably going to make sense for doing it like this, but I can't speak for every situation, right? This is just, if you can rest it like that, that will work as well. It might not work all the time, depending on what container you're using, but, because you're using a funnel, there's a decent chance it's going to work. So if you can rest it like that, that works as well. What I will do is I will get some water. I'm going to get the water in a separate glass over here. Okay, woo, just got some water on the counter. It's all good. And essentially, I'm going to pour this water into this empty glass with the funnel in it, and I'm going to show you how the funnel works. So let's step back. I'm going to try and not make a mess. I'm in my basement bathroom right now. I'm going to try and not make a mess on the floor. I'm going to be very, very forward about my action and just go for it. There we go. So as you can see right there, I poured it into the top of the funnel, and it actually went down into the glass. Very, very simple, very easy to do, okay? Let's place this to the side. And then when you're done with the funnel, obviously you can remove it, okay? And then you can go ahead and you can clean it. Very, very simple, very straightforward, very easy to do. And that is how to use a funnel like an absolute pro. I've gone over basically everything that I could say about it and everything that I could show you. For the most part, I tried to be as thorough as possible while still being very simplistic and straightforward. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found it entertaining, educational, informational, all of the above. Hopefully you just found it as a great overall video. Hopefully you were pleased with it overall, okay? And if not, to be honest with you, I'm happy with the video. So even if you didn't like it, sorry, sucks to be you, because I'm happy with it. So I'm pleased with the video. Hopefully you're pleased with it as well. But all jokes aside, hopefully you enjoyed the video. I've got nothing else to say and nothing else to show you. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro for this video. So without further ado, I promise, not gonna blab on. Here is the outro for this specific video, and I promise we're done. I'm not gonna say it again. For real, I am ending the video. Without further ado, here is the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.